Here are 3 practical tips to help you make the most out of a consultation with a lawyer on whatever legal issue that you're dealing with and you need help with. Tip number 1: prepare a written list of questions and a written list of topics you would like to discuss with that attorney during that consultation. Way too many people, when they consult their lawyer, they just jump from one random question to another, from one topic to another. Maybe they feel like they're under time pressure. They don't have a plan for that conversation, to only later, maybe an hour later, maybe a day or a week later, realize, oh, I forgot to ask about this problem. I forgot to discuss this issue. Then they start chasing that lawyer by email or by phone. Maybe that lawyer is going to get back to them soon, maybe not so soon. It's much better to maximize the benefit of that consultation when you're having that live conversation and cover as much of whatever you need covered as possible. And the best way to do it is to organize and to prepare for that consultation ahead of time. The one other thing you can do with the same notebook and pen is to have it open while you're talking to the attorney. And during that consultation, as new questions or new ideas pop into your head, you write them down. You write little notes down so that you can follow up right then and there on those issues. Tip number 2: record that conversation if your consult is over Zoom, and also have one of those AI summaries prepared with your Zoom app. Most attorneys will have no problem. I always welcome my clients to record our consult because I know that they will want to hear what we were talking about at least one more time, at least part of that consultation. Maybe their friend, maybe their spouse, maybe their business partner wants to hear what we were talking about as well. So ask and record whatever it is that you're talking about. It cannot hurt, it can only help. Tip number 3: ask the following question closer to the end of your consultation. Mr. Lawyer, Miss Lawyer, based on what you know about my situation, based on what you know about the issue that I'm dealing with, what would you do if you were in my place and why? And hear them tell you what they would do if they were in your shoes. Because this will force that lawyer to focus more not only on the legal and theoretical aspects of your issue, but also on the practical aspects of the same issue, which is often equally, if not more important than all the legalese